Alright, so today I have the Belt Pouch by Tuff Possum Gear, and I'd like to show you what I've been keeping in it, and I'll do that in just a moment. Alright, I've unzipped it, and what can we see? Right on top I keep a lighter, and it's a mini Bic. And I keep it loose on top because this is going to go in my pocket. I always know where my lighter is going to be to put in my pocket when I get to camp. So as soon as I put that on my belt pouch, or put my belt pouch on my belt, I can put my lighter in my pocket. Now next up, you can see in the back there, 'tis the season, we've got some Hot Hands hand warmers. Just seems like a small thing to keep in there. Get a lot of value out of it. So what do we have next? I don't know about you, but one of the things that I absolutely need to take, it's a comfort item, are tissues. I have a whole pack of tissues here. Now in the back, well, you can see actually, not yet. Okay. In the back, I've got a tin. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you what's inside. So, inside of a sock by -33, I have what I call the Woodsman Essential Oil Kit. Right? So each one of these has a little roller ball. Now this one actually is not essential oil at all. It is a disinfectant liniment, but the idea is the same. We've got a little boo-boo kit here. We've got some Band-Aids in the back. We've got some Benadryl for if I get stung by a bee. And on top, I've got the Woodsman Essential Oil Kit. I keep that inside of the Tuff Possum Gear belt pouch. And I think there's only, well, 2 more things in here. We've got a rip spool by Exotac. And I just keep that off to the side. It's a good little repair kit. And finally, I'll show you what else is in here. Now this is pretty cool. See, nothing else in there. What we have here is kind of cool. We've got another Altoids tin, but we have here from Grimm Workshop this band that goes around it that has these little elastic pieces so that you can put stuff on the outside of your Altoids tin. And of course here we have a pocket bellows. We've got a little Thrunite keychain. Let's see which one is that. This is a really good one actually. I think it's the TI, there you go. Zoom in on that. If it'll do it. Nope, doesn't want to. It is the Ti3 V2. There we go. And that's a heck of a little flashlight. We've got a little ceramic rod, and we've got another big lighter. Right, so that first one goes in my pocket. This one stays right there because, check this out, this whole thing's going to slide off. Push the pouch out, and all of that stays together. Nice and clean. I'll put a link to this Grimm Workshop, I'm not sure what they call it. But inside of here, now as far as fire kits go, I've changed quite a bit over the years. Let me show you what's inside of here. That's it. We've got some of these waxed plugs. And we've got these little pieces of fat wood. really about the thickness of a match. And the fire plugs are from Procamptek. And that's it. I mean, a lighter, little fat wood, there's a whole bunch in here. These plugs, I think there's what, 3 times 3, 12. And 2 lighters. And of course that pocket bellows, which is pretty awesome. That's part of my fire kit. But all of that fits wonderfully inside of the Tuff Possum Gear belt pouch. So let's get a flat lay here and I'll show you everything that fits in there. All right, the 2 tins. Exotac Rip Spool, Grim Workshop, Band, whatever it's called, with, we've got 2 lighters. We've got the pocket bellows, a ceramic rod for honing my knife, little flashlight, hand warmers, tissues, all fits in this bag perfectly.